What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're back at it again with another video. We just finished vinyl wrapping our dashboard in Suede and it's looking amazing, guys. Amazing. My main advice, if you plan on doing a dashboard still on the car, then you have to remove the windshield. First time doing it, product was $32 shipped to my door, and so far, man, I'm in love. I'm in love, guys. I am in love. As you can see, not that bad. Nah, I like it better. I like it much better. A few things you need to buy before even starting this are these, guys. This made my life so much easier, and I really didn't use this. I mostly used scissors just to cut the big portions and this to cut my edges and whatnot. On another note, guys, if you're gonna do this, make sure you remove as much of interior pieces that you can. So I went ahead and I removed the vent, all the vents. I removed everything, and then I laid down the fabric. And it looks amazing, man. I can't stress you enough that it looks amazing. It just looks so amazing. Guys, of course, the main issue is going to be the cluster. The main reason being is because when you get the fabric and you lay it down, you're gonna create a few creases. It is what it is, just because of the way of the shape of the dashboard like that. So you're gonna create a few pressure points. So what I did was I released the pressure points by doing a few cuts. So I probably did one cut and another cut right here, and that caused I guess a reaction where the fabric was able to lay down, and I didn't get as much bubbles as I had before without the pressure cuts. Another issue is also going to be the sides. And the main reason being is because the fabric wasn't big enough. So I got up to here. So what I did was I cut a small piece, grabbed the piece, I pulled this piece back, which was the main piece. I laid down my second piece, and then the main piece, I just covered it. Why? Because if you go ahead and you just get another piece and you slap it on top, it's just gonna be too noticeable. So always the secondary piece or the error piece that you're gonna place to fix your error, then you place it underneath, and then you get the main one and you cover it. So that's exactly what I did, and it came out amazing, guys. One thing that you do wanna do before laying it down is making sure that your dashboard is clean. Again, take your time. This is very time consuming. It took me a total of 6 hours by myself. My first time, I'm a rookie. If I can do it, so can you. So that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a time lapse of me doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys subscribe, like, share, comment, and I'm also gonna put the item in the description below. Enjoy, 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 and catch you guys later. Dale.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
So guys, so far we got pretty much the whole top. This is where we stopped, here in the middle. Now comes the hard part. So hopefully everything goes good. And yeah.
We are heroes tonight. show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around.
This is going to be the hardest part for pretty much everyone. Is going to be the cluster. So yeah, you just gotta mess with it and try not to get any wrinkles. And if you do get wrinkles, just remove it and just play with it. That's the most important thing. Just remove it, play with it, and just keep going. Just keep going. That is my advice. And now we're pretty much all right. So now I gotta check what's over here. Okay, that's the. Guys, if you have a wrinkle like this, it's super easy. You go through the bottom, you hold here, and you push back, and there you go. And there you go. You don't want to push too hard, because if you pull too hard, then you're gonna break the fabric. So, you know, just slowly but surely. Okay. I think this is gonna be the hardest part for the MR2, because we have like a curve down and then a continuation. So for the MR2, the hardest part as of now is going to be the curving. And I don't even know how where the curving stops. Okay, I think I know. Yeah. Okay. So we're just gonna finish this side, right? And we're gonna cut. Actually, we're gonna cut the fabric because I believe we have too much as of now. So we're gonna come here. Let me see. I'm gonna make sure. Okay, so nothing here. Oh, nothing here. Nothing there. Okay, yeah. All right, so right here. So we're gonna come here. We're gonna cut the fabric. Because we have too much excess, so guys, this is very time consuming. I'm gonna tell you that. I'm not even gonna lie. This is very, very time consuming. And I'm not doing this because my dash is bad. My dash is actually in very good shape. It's just, you know, I always wanted my interior to look like suede with carbon fiber. So that's the plan. This was the hardest part, and then we'll go ahead, we'll finish, we'll redo these in carbon fiber. This we'll do in suede as well. Yeah, man, it's gonna look super nice, super nice, you know. There we go. All right, guys. Let's continue. Let's go back over here.
Got it on me, I got options, real stepper. Check the shoes, get it poppin'. Eating good, feeling good, where my hopping John at? Put it on a plate with some lemonade. That's the way we did it in the old days. Back then, mama said, get up, walk up, play. But you better not come home like yeah. Street lights, we was young, racing. Carefree was the best time. Fast forward, daydreaming about the next time. When it's gonna happen again, cause I just wanna